Okay, so the question is, what did I like about Sukkot this week?
You're gonna have to hold it close to your mouth, or you won't be able to hear it.
I think the fellowship that we've enjoyed this whole week, it kind of really pulls you away from your daily life, and being able to relate and read scripture and discuss it and have the opportunity to kind of listen to other people's point of views. You may not agree, sometimes we disagree, but at the same time we just we try to come together and enjoy the fellowship. So that's what I liked about it. This is Jose, by the way.
Yeah, that mic is on the other end. Because you see it's got holes.
It got turned upside down.
Oh, you got it upside down.
No, you had it upside down.
Yeah.
So, Matt, Sukkot 2017. One of the things that I'm reminded of is that these are the festivals of Yahuwah. And we've read over and over that they're commanded to be handed down and done for generations and generations to come. So that's a great thought to think that we're linked in with, our ancestors in what we're doing. We've also been commanded to be joyful, and we have had a lot of fun, a lot of great food, and as others will say, the fellowship's been fantastic. Just hanging out under the stars and reading scripture and discussing heatedly sometimes, and not as heated other times. But it's just been a great break in everything else that's going on, and we just look forward to the next one.
Well, I guess I need a jacket because I like Sukkot.
No, it's right there. Well, it's a wedding feast. Who doesn't like a wedding?
I like Sukkot because we all get to hang out and worship with each other. And we could always find out new ways to get better. Yeah.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
Oh, okay.